This is how to make the U-turn pipe in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the rectangle in here. We can make on the position in here, and you can push it up in here. Okay, then now we can make the another space in here. We can make the another space, and maybe we can make it more smaller than before over there. And now we can just triple click, right click, and also make group. Okay, so then now we can make the circle in here. We can make the circle with using these tools, and we can place the circle over there. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then now we can make the line. We can click to find center, but we have to move it on the appropriate position. We can click this edge, right click, and click to find center, and now we can make the line. Click from the center in here and move it up. Okay, we can move it up until to the position, and until to the position, and just place on that position in here. Okay, so and after that, now we can just make the curve with using the 2-point arc, and click from the position until to the position. Okay, and click and place to the position, just like this. And then now we can duplicate this one. We can duplicate of this line. We can duplicate of this line, and then we can select move, tab control, and just place to the position. Okay, and now we can just click the surface and select move, tab control, click, and just place on the position. Okay, and then now we can move. Okay, we can move until to the position over there. Okay, and then we can move over there just like this, and then now we can just click and offset it outside a little bit in here, like 3 millimeters over there. Then we can click, right click, and erase. Okay, then now we can we can make the line in here, and then now we can erase. We can erase the several part of this line over there. Okay, just like this. Okay, we can erase, and then erase this one. Then we can click and just click again, and click and select the follow me, and click the surfaces over there. Okay, so this is about the connector, the elbow connector. And click, right click, and also make group. Okay, now we can just move from the center. We can move until to the position in here, until okay, we can move it, press shift, and place on the center in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then now we can make the another U-turn again. Okay, we can just click this one and select move, tab control, click the position, and just place to the position in here. And then we can click and click this line and the path. Okay, sorry, we can click this one and select move, tab control, and just place to the position in here. And then now we can make the line in here. Okay, and then now we can make the line in here, and erase. Okay, we can make the line in here, cross these surfaces. Okay, we can click erase. Okay, then now we can move it until to the position only. Make the line in here, and erase this line, and erase this surface, erase the surface. Click, erase, click, erase. Sorry, we can click. Okay, we can click and erase. We can click and erase, and we can click. Okay, sorry, we can make the surfaces again in here. Okay, we can erase the line, and we can offset it outside 3 millimeters in here. Okay, now we can select the line and select the follow me in here, and just make this one, and click, right click, and also make group in here. Okay, so we can adjust with the field of view just like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, and now we can select move from the center in here until to the position in here. Okay, just like this. And then now we can erase some unnecessary surfaces. We can erase this surfaces. Then we can triple click this line, and we can select the follow me, and just place this one in here. And then so it about the U-turn piping in here. We can erase some unnecessary line, and then now we can erase some unnecessary line in here. Okay, and then now we can triple click, right click, and also make group. Then now we can make the different color of the connector over there. We can make the different color, like about this color maybe, or we can make it more saturated. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then now we can make the another materials like concrete. We can adjust about the concrete materials. Okay, we can select the water. We can select the water materials from the position, water dip. This is the water dip surfaces over there, and so this is about the platform. Okay, this is about the platform, and push it up a little bit. Click, right click, and make group, and we can adjust about the metal materials with using this one. Okay, just for example anyway, or we can select this one, okay, to make it more read it, or we can make this one in here. Okay, anyway, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.